Where did my glasses go? Glasses fell. All right, got a lot of people being nosy trying to figure out what I'm doing. Yeah, hello everyone, hello. Yes, I'm reviewing. All right, you guys. Anyways, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a dash cover, you guys. I saw somebody, well, yeah, I was kind of being nosy. All right, I was walking in the Walmart parking lot, and you know when you get out the car, sometimes you can see what's in somebody's car, you guys. I mean, it is what it is. So somebody actually had a dash cover, and I was like, yo, that looks so cool. So right here we have a dash cover. This is for a 2006 Toyota Camry. You guys, please, when I put the link in the description, go look for your own car, okay? Don't, if I put the link in the description, it might send you to my car, okay? Well, this is my wife's car, but it's our car. So she's the primary person that rides this car. And she keeps this car, you guys, you would never even know this is a 2006. It is so clean. Even somebody came here the other day and was like, dude, you have no rips, tears, or anything. And I'm like, my wife's baby's this car, you guys. So, you know, this is her baby. She got this as a present back in the day. So her dad bought her a car back in 2006, and she kept the car ever since. The car has like 120 something thousand miles, you guys. And remember, this is this is almost 20 years old. Why am I wasting time with this? All right. So the car is almost, ooh, this feels so good too. Now, I bought red. There was another company that had like blue. I wanted to get blue. Y'all know red is like a common thing. So I wanted to get blue. My wife wanted me to paint her calipers blue, but red was available to come as soon as possible. So we got red. I don't plan on painting her calipers, you guys. Maybe she might want to, I don't even think she may want to trade this in, but we are going to try to fit this on top of here. Now they said it will fit. Let's see. You guys, this is so cool. This is so cool. All right, so right here, it has this hole right here, and this hole actually goes to nowhere. All right, so I see the speaker there, so maybe they left the hole there for a little bit of the speaker. But you guys, this is good for protecting your dash from the sun. All right, one thing I can say is it fits. You may need the sun to straighten it out. I'm gonna move this out the way, you guys. All right, so it has the holes for the fans up there. It fits this whole part of the dash here. You guys, it looks good. Now we're just gonna see what she thinks on how that looks. You guys, this looks so cool. This looks so cool, you guys. I need a car. I need to get me a car. But I need to make sure that when I get a car, that it has like a dash cover. I don't even care what car it is. I just want a dash cover. You guys, this looks, y'all have to see this in person. Well, I know y'all not really in person, but you know, it is what it is with that. All right, so there you go. This is what I was talking about right here. You see how it's a little circle right here? But the whole, I think that's a speaker. I believe this is a speaker right here. So it's just a little hole. So unless the actual speaker is a little hole right there, then yeah. But y'all see right there and a little hole here. We have these slots right here, and it's going over that vent right there. So we'll see if she likes this one, because I think the other brand is a little bit different, but you can't really tell because when you buy this on Amazon, it's like, it looked like the picture profile. Oh, sorry. The picture profile is like this product wrapped up. It don't actually show you the full product. So that's what you get. All right, I'm gonna call her out here, see what she thinks, see if she wants to keep this or she want to check out the other one from the other brand. Because, you know, I don't know if she will like this little part. I mean, in reality, you could just cut it, but you know, all they did was cut it, you guys. We have a razor. You can cut that little square right there. It might be a little too close to cut though, or too much to cut off. And they could have cut off all of this and then left it like that. But I don't know the other trims of these generation. I believe this is 2002 to 2006, I believe. So I know I keep messing with this and I need to stop. OCD. All right, so that's it, you guys. That is the dash cover right there. All right, you guys, so I'm going to give some constructive criticism. This is not like mechanical issues or nothing, so I'm not going to give this product a bad review, you guys. I love this product. I love it. Now, one thing I do wish is that it came to the full dash. You could bring it down, but if you bring it down, it's going to be a little bit more gappy up there. But I could bring this down, but even so, I wish this came like all the way down here. That will be cool. All right. This is fine. Nothing wrong with this. Now this part, once again, I wish it was cut more to cover like this whole part right here to come down. That would be so cool. All right, so I'm talking about stuff that would be cool, as you can tell. Now this part here, once again, you could bring it down, but if you bring it down, it will come down too much. So with that, I just wish it came down to cover this whole part right here. And then that little ledge right there where the vent is, I probably could bring it down some, but once again, we're dealing with the same situations. Once you mess with one side, you alter the other side. But that's it, you guys. That is nitpicking. That's not like mechanical issues or nothing. Mechanical issues if it was like, if it didn't fit at all. All right. But other than that, that's it, you guys. I love this product. All right. Even somebody in the family has the same generation. They have a 2002. This is a 2006. And they said they wanted one. So I might try out a different product and give him this one. And that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. And I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.